Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to solve a little question number 605 and place flowers. You have a long flower bed in which some of the plots are planted and some are not. However, flowers cannot be planted in adjacent plot. Given an integer array flower bed containing zeros and ones where 0 means empty and 1 means not empty, and an integer n return true if n new flowers can be planted in the flower bed without violating the non-adjacent flowers rule and false otherwise. Fine. So this is what the question states. Now they are asking us to plant k flowers, sorry, n new flowers here, n new flowers such that in a flower bed, in that flower bed, we are represented as 1 if it is planted and 0 if it is not planted. And we want to check whether it satisfies the adjacent flower rule, then we can place a flower. They are asking us to find whether it is true if we can place n flowers, else we want to return false. Fine. So let us see with example. See here, I have a flower bed 1 0 0 0 1. I want to place a flower, only one flower. Just observe, I can place a flower here. No, already it is placed. Yes, no. Whether I can place here? No, no, because here it is what? Placed. It is planted. So they are asking us to place where no two adjacent should be planted. No two adjacent should be planted. Now again here. Yes, yes. Here also not planted. Here also not planted. So I can plant here. Just plant it. I have planted one flower. They are asking us to plant only one flower. So return true. Return true. Fine. Now take the second example. 1 0 0 0 1 flower bed, and we want to place two flowers. First of all, I'm going to check here whether I can place here. No. Whether I can place here. No. Whether I can place here. Yes, because two adjacents are not placed and the current element is also not placed. Just place here. Yes. Now whether we can place here. No. We have two adjacents are placed. Now whether I can place here. No. It is already placed. Okay. So I just placed only one flowers, but they are asking us to place how many flowers? Two flowers. Hence I can return what? False. So this is what the question states. Now how to approach this problem? So I can say, first of all, whenever there is no two adjacents are placed and also the current element is also not placed, I can say I can place one flower. If this is a scenario, I can place one flower, right? If this is a scenario, I can place one flower. So my first condition is whenever my array is like this, I can place flower where? I can place flower here. Okay, this is the first condition. And then what is the second condition? If I can place in the edge, let us think 0 0 1 1. Whether I can place it here? Yes, I can place here, because in question they are asked us to place where two adjacents are not placed. Here it is 0, we can place here, and also see here adjacent is 0 and here we cannot place, right? We cannot place or plant any plants, right? So I obviously plant here. So this is the second case. And then what is the third case? 1 1 0 0. It is at the last. Now just observe carefully whether I can place in the edge. Yes, I can place here, because here it is not planted and here also not planted. So I can place here. So these are the three conditions I have observed now. So from this I can say whenever I can plant, whenever I plant a flower, what is the condition? Whenever the previous element should be what? 0, or the previous element should be at what? See here, -1. The index is what? Sorry, here 1, here 2, here 3. So the index should be -1. Whenever the previous element is equal to -1, I can say this one condition. And what is the next condition? The next element, that is, if it is an element, then this next element should be what? Should be 0, or it should be what? Equal to the length, because see here this. Okay, if these two are the condition, I can say I can place the flower. No, The important condition is what? The current element should be what? 0. Because if it is not 0, like this, if it is 1, how can I plant a flower, right? So these are the three conditions. These are the three conditions to solve this problem. Let's just see the code. See here, this is the code for I in range of len of flower bed. Pre is equal to flower bed of I minus 1. If I is greater than 0, if I is greater than 0, I can take I minus 1 as my part of my pre, right? If not, I can take 0, because as of now we know that if this is the element, I can take it because its previous element is what? Out of bound exception, right? Sorry, out of bound from this array, so that I can take it. Just take it as 0. Okay. Then next is equal to flower bed plus 1 if I is less than len of flower bed minus 1, else 0. Same thing applied to the last element. Now, if the pre and next and the current element is equal to 0, then I can say flower bed of I can be made as 1 updated, and then k minus equal to 1. Just I placed one flower there. Now, if k is less than or equal to 0, if k falls down to 0, then I can say return true, because I have placed every flowers. Yes, if that's not condition, outside my loop, I want to return false, because that is some flowers left over. So this is what the whole code. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. And also you can do like, you initially add 0 in the both the side, in the both the extremes, so that you don't want to check this condition. You don't want to check these two lines. Okay, like I want to say you that, just see here, 1 comma minus 1, and we don't want these two lines. Instead of this, take this and take this. We don't want this condition. Now initially I want to place flower bed is equal to 0 plus flower bed plus 0. Just add 0, so that it is a just configuration, like I can place there. Okay, if when I want to place at the 0th index, if the 0th index element is 0, and also its next index, that is the first index also 0, I can place. That's why I'm just adding a 0 to represent the previous element is not planted, just for our representation, right? Now this also can be submitted successfully. Okay, let me run it. Yes, let me submit it. Yes, it is working fine. So you can do in this way or either in the condition way, but both are same. Fine. Thank you.